Hi guys, let's talk about your project. What was the focus of your project?
I think the main point was to make people realize that what they're losing is like they're actually losing money while they tap on the machine. So just to get them in that realization.
Was difficult working together or not?
Yeah, I think there's some difficult about the communication because I'm Chinese, and Chinese students always have poor English, so I still need to improve my English to let them know my idea. It's very important to let them know what can I do, what can I improve the whole process, and what can I donate. Yeah.
What have you learned from this workshop?
Wow, that general. I've learned that it's wonderful working with Chinese, Indian, and Italian students. I think the biggest thing about our project was that we realized that there's the digital speed. Everything is becoming digital. Sorry, can I just? It's a little bit stressing me. Everything's moved so fast, but at some point we have to stop and think of the user in terms of that. The brain takes some time to develop. We're not as good as the machine. And we have to start designing things that are compatible with the way of thinking and how we remember, filter information, etc. So,
how did you get over the problems now about speaking other languages you are from another countries? So how can you go on in this problem in this group?
Actually, I'm Italian, so I'm here based in Milan. But yeah. It was really nice because the thing is that having multiple cultures inside a working team really makes coming very different ideas and make the project working well. I mean, all together, ideas from all around the world. She's from China, she's from India, he's from Greece, and I'm from Italy. So it's been like a big pleasure to work.
The Mediterranean and the mountains, you name it, we had it all.
Yeah.
Thank you guys, good luck.